This is Wasatch Overland's Instagram story today. They just installed an action van suspension lift kit, the ultimate kit. If you're closer to Salt Lake City, Utah than you are to San Clemente, California, Wasatch Overland installs action van suspension lift kits, and here are their prices. My buddy Joey's Fort, she just got an ultimate suspension lift kit from Action Van Suspension, but she was closer to San Clemente. Here's Wasatch Overland's website. That's Sebastian's Life 91's van. Me, Sebastian, Paula, and Joey hung out at Action Van Suspension the other day in San Clemente. The two main companies that install Ford Econoline E-Series two-wheel drive lift kits are in Southern California. So if you're in Utah or a surrounding state, check out Wasatch Overland. They install Action Van Suspension lift kits, and here's their Instagram story from yesterday. They've been posting a couple on Action Van lift kits. So it looks like they're installing two lift kits back to back. So if you're one of my friends in Utah or a surrounding state getting your Ford Econoline lifted, let me know in the comment section, and check out Joey's Fort's van right here. Has a lift kit.
Check this out. Like, all I have to do is put one foot there, and then I can scooch up or I can grab here.
The steering wheel is the trucker trick, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
There you are.
There you are. How's
and
it?
Paula can get in too.
What's it like sitting in the nosebleed section? Look, you're taller than me now.
That's it.
I'm looking up at you now.
That won't go.
So that's Sebastian right there. Probably doesn't even know I'm here yet. Larry's got a couple things at his shop right now. Sebastian, are you there? We got a pleasure way here. Dana, Wade, and Rambo Adventure. Are you guys still gonna lift your pleasure way? There you go. Action Van Suspension lift on this. So here's some perspective right now next to a Sportsmobile 4x4. Larry's got all kinds of stuff here today. You know, I'm here today though to visit Larry and my buddy Joey's Fort, finally getting lifted. There you go. We got another one right here. All kinds of lifted vans. Joey's should be in the back. I'm gonna go pick her up at her room along with Paula right now when Larry gives me the word. Here's another one right there. Needs a lift kit. This is a 4x4 OBS. That's Larry's van. I've always said this about Larry. He could get his company to build him a 4x4 converted 12-inch lifted van, but he runs his company's lift kit. He's got the Duratrack tires, just like the ZR2. But yeah, see, two-wheel drive lift kit, runs his company's lift. He walks the walk, man. And then he even tows with this van, 5.4 liter. He tows his race car with this thing, and he brings a bike.